Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can utilize Claygent for enriched company data and people data like this, and I'm giving you the demo of the Claygent plus 10 plus prompts for your company enrichment. Before I'm showing you how you can build this Claygent system, let me explain what is Clay and how it helpful for us to enrich the company data. So Clay is like a web research agent built by Clay. It's like a SDR that goes the live internet and come up with the live data for you. While a standard tool find a guessing data, instead Claygent goes the direct company website and read the about pages, services, tools and all this blah blah things, and it will find the exact thing what you need. For example, if you need to find the revenue of the company, you can just insert the website of the company and it will go search the internet and find the balance sheet or any statistical data and find the last year financial revenue. Let me explain how you can create your own Clay agent. Here you can see the add column in a Clay table. If you click that, you can see the use AI option. If you click it, you can see there are two options. One is generate and one is configure. Here I am going to explain how you can utilize generate. If you already know how to create a well-defined prompt, you can use configure. If you don't know, you just click generate. Right now I am going to find the company domain by using the company LinkedIn profile. Find the company name using company LinkedIn profile. Then you can just generate it. So the Sculpt will create a prompt for you. Here you can see it already suggests a prompt for us and the put scenario also. Then it will automatically switch to configure. Here there are three options you can see: web research agent, image generation and create or modify content. If you not use internet, you just need to rewrite the company name and rewrite the email. You can use create or modify content. If you need to search the web agent to get the exact data, you can use the web research agent like a Clay agent. Here you can see all the models. If you need to compare the models, which one is best, you can click compare models and see which one is best for you. Right here I'm going to show you the how 5.1 mini works well. So here you can see 5 mini we can use. The context is good. Here you can see the output format. What is the output format you need? I just need a company name in a text format, and you click save and run 10 rows. Here the input is LinkedIn URL. It will find the company name based on that. So here you can see how this Clay agent works. Right now what the Clay agent is doing is it will redirect to the company's LinkedIn URL and find the company name and give us output here. Let me show you the another quick example how to find the revenue of the company in the last financial year. If you see here, so this Clay agent find the annual revenue estimates. Just click it. I use 4 mini here using Clay agent and using our own API. If you need to use Clay agent, you can use, but the more efficient way is using your own API, so it will cost less to you. So the system prompt will think like a financial analyst and it will analyzing the entire data of the company and find the last financial year's revenue 2025. Right now the input is domain. Here you can see the output formats we can give as a two. One is fields and one is JSON. If you need a specific field, you can use fields. You can need a JSON schema. You can just click it here and generate a prompt. It will automatically create a JSON schema by using the direct prompt we enter here. Right now it gives us a generated prompt. Don't worry, I will give 10 plus important AI prompts I use for Clay agent. I will give that in the description for completely free. So if you can see here, we will add the domain as the input. It will going to find us a revenue for us. So after you click and run 10 rows or run any rows you need. Right now I don't want to run any rows because I already find this data. Here you can see what is the exact revenue of the company for the last financial year. This is how you can utilize Clay agent for your company enrichment and people enrichment. There is a lot of resources you can use by utilizing this Clay agent. Let me show you the next video how you can utilize Clay for future resources and all those things. See you in the next video. Bye.